Hello everyone. We all know the alphabets of English, that is ABCD, and varnamala of Kannada and Hindi, right? But do we know the varnamala of Sanskrit? Today I am going to say you the varnamala of Sanskrit. Welcome back to Dr. Meenakshi's Medical. This is Dr. Meenakshi. The varnamala of Sanskrit contains 63 to 64 varnas, and this varnamala of Sanskrit was created from Maheshwara Sutra. Our Maharshi Panini created this Maheshwara Sutra. How it was created? It was created by the sounds of Dhamaru of the Shiva. Shiva was making the sound of Dhamaru. By listening the Dhamaru sounds, our Maharshi Panini created this Maheshwara Sutra, that is 14 sutras. Those are nothing but Varnamala of our Sanskrit. And they are as follows. A, I, Un, Rul, Ruk, A, Od, I ouch, Hayavarat, Lun, Namananam, Jaban, Gadadash, Jabagadadash, Kapha, Chatata, Chatatav, Kapaya, Shasha, Hal. These are the Sanskrit Varnamalas. These 14 sutras creates Maheshwara Sutra. It is also known as Shiva Sutra, and they are also known as Sanskrit Varnamalas. So how many of you were knowing about the Sanskrit Varnamalas? Kindly comment in comment section box. And how many of my viewers are knowing this Sanskrit Varnamalas for first time? Kindly mention in comment section box. This is Dr. Meenakshi signing off. Thank you.